Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TEEHO lock to factory settings in 2026. Now, in order to reset it, what you need to do first is to simply remove the inside battery cover from the lock. Now, behind the cover, you will find the battery pack, which is going to look something like this. Now over here you just have to basically remove these batteries, and then you will find the reset button beneath these battery compartment. So you just have to simply press and hold this reset button for at least 5 to 10 seconds using the included reset tool or the small pin. So you need to keep holding it until you hear a long beep and the green indicator light flashes once. So this is going to confirm the factory reset has been completed successfully. So after resetting, what you need to do is you need to simply enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then hash, and if the lock unlocks successfully, it means that the reset worked properly and the lock returned to the factory default programming. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.